So we have a very basic radio, the Maxcom 20E. They usually work alright. This one's just doing a bit more than 3 watts. It's at the lower end of the scale. So power lead sorting out, got rid of the chock block, put it back on frequency. General service. I'm going to have to hold on to the radio or it's going to go walkies as I use it. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, yeah, copy you loud and clear. The radio was still on channel 8, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, right, yes. I made sure I moved the base station to 31 before I turned it off yesterday.
Roger that. Right, we'll come up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger that. Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilson.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, going round Scratchy Corner, loud and clear, and I'm doing about 3.1 watt over.
Roger that. That sounds pretty good for that.
At least it's all on 27 megs.
Roger. Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, Grayleys turn, that's very good.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mississippi. We're now going over Rawston Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing very well. So that concludes the test, thank you.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. That worked very well. You know, we've tested some much more expensive sets than that. Good. Right, we'll go to our base station. It's a random coffin mic. It's not a standard replacement. It isn't an original. So we'll see what that sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Maxcom 20E, which is customer repair, into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is just a random microphone. Not an original and not a standard replacement. Thank you for watching.